He is right back into it. He's a legend. That is some spring snow right there.
Maybe I'll start with this guy.
Okay. Woo! It's February 28th, last day of February video. We got Nora and we got Maximum Green.
Oh, yeah.
First time skiing in 8 years. Woo! We didn't fall off the chairlift. Yeah! Skid marks. We're gonna build a skyscraper tower on top of the mountain that you could ski down and it would add elevation to us. Oh, that almost pinched me. Oh. The ground is so hard.
Oh yeah.
Let it right down for us.
Perfect. Amen.
Put the dog on the smoker.
The dog's on the smoker. Oh.
Wow. I mean, that lift isn't even running now. I just asked.
Nora, are we going left?
Yeah.
Oh, she wants to go in there.
This is the tree run that's fun.
Okay.
It does get kind of narrow, and then you want to stay to the left, or else it gets really, really steep.
Okay, I'll follow you.
But
You wanna go slow?
Go to the left.
if you want, if not, we'll just come out down there.
Yeah, it's a little cruddy in here.
Yeah.
Falling. That's rough. That is rough.
I wasn't expecting that. You fell into him?
Yeah. She's going for more.
Oh, yeah.
She's thirsty for the bush.
Yeah.
Put the bar down!
Put the bar down.
I like creamy white.
Yeah.
Clean.
Oh. Yeah.
Hi,
That was nice.
Hi, Choo. Hey! That was nice, Max. Woo! Sorry. Hey! What's he doing in there? You can't park there.
Yeah. Back by this tree left.
Oh.
Do you want to go up in here or no?
Is that the goat track?
There's this goat track, and I think it goes like all the way around the outside of this run. And it's like skinny, and I don't think it's like real hard, but it's skinny. Was that okay?
Oh yeah, I was just waiting for him.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I love it.
It's kind of fun.
This is nice. I just wasn't expecting that little drop.
Yeah. So that, you know that little tree we went over?
Yeah.
Last year I was here and I came in here before I left to go out west. And that tree wasn't covered in snow, and I tried to jump and I just got up and I hit my tips right on that tree and just went
Yeah. You're the leader.
And a clean 360. 360. Zooming. Ooh, that's fuck.
I thought you said something like
I said go slow.
Oh.
Just because it's kind of tight. Oh, you okay? Push.
That was fun.
I didn't think I was gonna make it through that last.
I'm glad you did.
Yeah.
Did you?
I think I'm gonna try that. See what it does.
I'll go out and see if I can find where it comes out. Yeah, that was sick. That was sick.
Did you get me doing?
I got at least some of it. It was really funny.
Max, he's so slinky when he does that. You were experiencing.
We're going in and out.
Yeah. Had like holes that you.
No, don't do that. Hi there.
That park was closed earlier. It's not supposed to be open. The patrol's going back. I don't know who opened it.
You want to go back over there?
It's 3:51.
Maybe our last trip.
Game on. Oh, nuts.
Big wheelbarrow of dirt and they dump it on the boy and cover him with dirt. There's these butterflies that come out and dance.
Oh.